Find the coordinates of the vertices of each figure after the given transformation. So here we're given the transformation represented as a verbal description, and we will need to turn that into a function. Okay, so we know that we're translating 8 units down. Up and down is the y-axis. So we know down is negative. So we know there's going to be y minus 8. So we can go ahead and follow the same steps that were followed in the previous video. So we're first going to write down our ordered pairs. Okay. And now we know we're only dealing with the y coordinate. So we're just going to bring across our x coordinate. And our y coordinate is going to be 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8. 5 minus 8. 0 minus 8. Okay, and now we can go ahead and set ourselves up to write our final image ordered pairs. 2 minus 8 is negative 6. 3. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. 2. 0 minus 8 is negative 8. All right, let's try the next one. For this one, we see 5 units left. Left and right is the x-axis. Left means minus, so that will be x minus 5. So let's go ahead and write down our ordered pairs. Okay, so our x coordinates are changing this time. So it's going to be the x minus 5. So 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 5 minus 5. And just bring down your y's. Negative 5, 0, negative 3. Okay. Oh, let me write my labels. So I prime, j prime, k prime. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. 2 minus 5 again is negative 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. All right, and our last one, again, we're translating 8 units down. Okay, so we already know that that is y minus 8. All right. All right, so the x values stay the same, so we're just going to bring those over. All right, 1 minus 8, 5 minus 8, 3 minus 8, 1 minus 8. All right, and now we are prepared to write our final answers. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. And again, 1 minus 8 is negative 7.